No, the Nexa is more expensive. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. These are like 10 grand plus tax. These are about 11 grand plus tax. But for $1,000, $1,200 difference, well, if you haven't seen the other videos on the Nexa, you can't even compare the interior. Like it is night and day.
Oh, wow, the interior just blows the car away. Like, it's not so cheap looking.
This door opens wider too, Darren. Like this one has a bigger door, but see how nice the angle that opens up? This is the angle, so it doesn't even open up as much. It's bigger. So yeah, that's our opinion. And is it our opinion because we sell Nexas and not Novas? No, it's our opinion like we have on everything. Everything that comes in, we like this, we don't like that. There's some things we like, not much that we like about it. So we will continue to bring in Nexas from Matrix because Matrix is a company that is a supplier where the Nova is Easy Rides bringing it in. So they're now the supplier and they're the retailer. And so they also hold the warranty and sell them. And I think that mixes business. I like to hold the companies accountable for warranty. Like I fucking yell at them. They know about it. Doesn't happen very often, but we go to bat for our customers. And when you're the supplier and you're the retailer, what's the word? Like it just, there needs to be a division there, right? Yeah. So anyways, that is what it is. That's pretty cool to actually see this in person. Thanks for driving here.
No problem.
And thanks for your purchase on the 4S.
I can't wait to get it.
I know, soon. Thanks, Ron.
You're welcome.